Hello guys, welcome to Street Tech, and this video is about the iPhone 8 Plus battery test. What we can do, because there is a new operating system came out and I haven't updated this iPhone 8 Plus because I'm quite happy with the way it is. I'm quite happy with the battery and anything like that, but we're gonna check it out before I updated it. So this video will be, we're gonna use the same mobile phone, which is this iPhone 8 Plus. I only have one iPhone 8 Plus, so I can't use any or another one. So what we can do before I update this, I'm gonna test the battery from 100% to 0, and then I'm gonna update it today after that test, and I will show you what's gonna happen if the battery is alright. Because one thing that most of the people are having problem with is actually the battery once they updated something, or once they updated their mobile phone. Yeah, without the further ado, I'm gonna check it out for you just to make sure we have 100% there, and it's still currently charging. That one's 100% battery. It's still on a dock, it's still charging at the moment. So what we can do, we're gonna do all sorts of thing and everything like that, and yeah, we'll check it out. Okay, so it's now 10:59, 11 o'clock in the morning to be exact. 1 minute to be 11 o'clock, and we can start the test now. Okay, so it's now 11 o'clock, so we can do the test from now. And yeah, what I will do, I will need to unplug it from the dock because it needs to be unplugged. So yeah, after that, it's still 100%. What we can do, yeah, just do all the tests and things like that. To start, I'm gonna show you if this is still iOS 11.2.6, and then the new version will be 11.3. And this is the iPhone 8 Plus after the update, so I'm just gonna show it to you. So, general about, and that's gonna be 11.3. Okay, we'll check it out. I'm gonna do sorts of thing, and yeah, hopefully, and let's see how long will it take for the battery to run out. Okay, so see you in a bit. Hi guys, just another update. So basically it's now 11:59. I could probably lock it. Yeah, it's now 11:59, and after 1 hour usage of non-stop usage, it is now down to 90%. Can you see that? Yeah, that is 90%. Okay, so 12 o'clock, and then the phone's still going at the moment. So what we can do, we can check if this is actually, oh good, 93%. Okay, so it's 1 hour after we start testing the battery, and it has 93% battery, which is pretty good. Really sounds promising. Yeah, we're gonna keep continue that. 12:01, so we're gonna keep continue until the battery gets really flat, and we will see it. Okay, so see you in a bit. Hey guys, another update. So it's now 3 o'clock, exactly 3 o'clock. We started from 11 o'clock in the morning. It has been 4 hours since we have used this iPhone 8 Plus. It was 100%, and then after that it is now 30% left. Okay, so it's now 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So we started from 11 o'clock in the morning, and then 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. So it's been 4 hours since we have been doing this battery test. Yeah, it's now 54%, which is quite good. I'm so happy with this battery update. So hopefully Apple can still will be, you know, continually doing the best for the mobile phone instead of draining the battery, I suppose. But anyway, yeah, we're gonna keep doing it until the battery gets flat, and we'll see after that how long will it take to charge it again. Okay, so see you in a bit. It's another update, so it's now nearly 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and we only have 12% left to use on that. Okay, so just gonna keep going until it gets Okay guys, so it's now 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and yeah, the phone's still going. It's not too warm. Yeah, you can feel it has a bit of high temperature, but it's not too bad. But yeah, so it's been doing this gaming, YouTube and everything, and since 11 o'clock. And as we look on the battery, it has 33% left to use, which is quite good. Really nice. So we're just gonna keep doing this until it gets flat, and let's see. And yeah, okay, so it's just another update. Okay, see you in a bit. Guys, it's now 4:30 or 4:32 in the afternoon, and this iPhone 8 Plus only have 1% left to use, and it's going to shut down anytime soon. So I'm just gonna play it and play so until it shut down, and then we will have the total hours or total hours of battery of this iPhone 8 Plus with iOS 11.2. Then we will update it to 11.3, and we will see. I'm gonna do some testing with 11.3 as well to see if there is any changes between the two. Because a lot of people are actually complaining about the battery when they updated something, or the battery is rubbish, kind of thing.
Head southwest.
Okay, so it's completely shut down, I think. It's now 38 or 4:38, and the mobile phone, this iPhone 8 Plus, is completely shut down. It's not literally turning on. I can't push it in. Okay, so it's from 11 o'clock to 4:38. So I'm just gonna upgrade this mobile phone, and we will see it. It's now 5:31, and I'm so happy about this mobile phone because it has 4% left to use, which is very, very nice. So I must say that this 4% will still gonna go for like 10 minutes to 20 minutes or so. So yeah, that's gonna be it. That is really good. From 11 o'clock to 5:30, it's down to 4%, which is quite good. I don't need to put that into. I don't need to like make it to 0% because it is quite obvious that this 11.3 operating system is quite good than the previous model, so it's quite good. So yeah. Okay, so I'm so happy with it. So from 11 o'clock to 5:30, shall we say 11.3 is a win-win. So upgrade yours if you haven't upgraded it or updated it. That's gonna be a problem. No, I mean yeah, just update your mobile phone, your iPhone. So in whatever model you have, I think that's gonna be it. I'm happy with my iPad as well, and the rest of the Apple I have, and then the battery seems to be very nice than it was. Okay, so and yeah, hopefully guys enjoy the test about the iOS 11.2 and 11.3. And if you have any question about the two, yeah, just give me a shout. I'll try to answer that for you. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel, and don't forget to hit the like button as well. Okay, so thank you, and I'm gonna say goodbye. See ya.